Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the 12-volt battery in a Tesla Model S. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Ensure your vehicle is completely powered off before you begin. You'll find the 12-volt battery located in the front trunk, often referred to as the frunk. Now, let's disconnect the old battery safely. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This is crucial for preventing electrical shorts. Once the negative is off, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, carefully remove any hold-down bracket or strap that secures the battery in its compartment. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Gently place your new 12-volt battery into its designated position in the front trunk. Make sure it sits securely. Next, reattach the battery hold-down bracket or strap to keep it firmly in place. When connecting, always attach the positive terminal first. To complete the installation, connect the negative terminal last. Double-check that all connections are tight and secure. Once everything is connected, carefully close the front trunk. You can then power on your Tesla Model S and verify that all systems are functioning correctly after the battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.